Part 2. We came here last time for Malia's birthday. She was asleep the whole time. And she's small. Too small for most of the rides, but here they go. Oh yeah, Alia. Maddie on there, Leo on there, Mason on there. This is Maddie's first time here as well. Let him duck. She like she's too tall for this ride. I don't know.
She got to watch it turn in the wheel of her feet too. You ready to see her behind? Hi, Leah.
Ring the bell, Mason.
Right, he don't have ring the bell. Mason, ring the bell. Look, ring the bell.
He forgot about the bell?
His face is scratching past me. Mason, ring the bell. That's not just like Teddy. Like Teddy. You like you shout all the way.
Yeah, look at Leah.
She's staring both ways.
Yeah. Hit the bell. Oh, right there. Hi. Unfortunately, the camera died on me, man. The camera had died. That's the only footage I have. But the kids love to watch these cell phone TV, so I had to upload this on YouTube. Go get your drip. Summer is coming. I posted a whole bunch of drip for the summer, so make sure y'all tap in. But like, comment, and subscribe.